everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. I hope that you're well. How is everyone feeling? Are you feeling festive? Are you in the Christmas spirit yet? It's taken me a while, but I can officially say that I've got the Christmas bug. This is my favorite time of the year. I have my hot chocolate here ready. I've got my cozy Christmas pajamas on, and today I will be decorating my tree. So this is a Christmas decorate with me video. I can show you guys exactly how I decorate the tree. Hopefully it comes out right, the process, and I hope that puts you in even more of a Christmas spirit. But firstly, before I get into it, if you are new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I love you, I appreciate the support, and I hope you enjoy this decorate with me today. Let's get into it and get decorating this tree. The first thing I'm going to do to get me in the right mood is pop on a wax melt. I love wax melts. I find they're a longer lasting fragrance than candles. I love experimenting with different scents. I find that they fill your home with such wonderful fragrances. This particular scent is cashmere cream. It smells divine and it's so satisfying to pop it out of the container and watch it melt. Have to have on my Christmas music. Christmas music just makes me happy. I feel such nostalgia of my childhood and great times in the past. It just really uplifts me. My puppies, I adore them so much, but it was such hard work unboxing this tree with them around and setting it up. They really just want to be in everything. It's so nosy, bless them. After unboxing, I then begin to fluff the branches and make the tree look as full as possible. Max, stop biting the thing. Oh, my favorite part. No, putting up the lights is the worst, and you actually spend more time untangling than actually putting them up. I tend to start from the top and work my way down, pushing the lights in between the branches so that I can spread them around the tree as evenly as possible. Please excuse my error here, do not do this at home. I should have put on the tree skirt before unfolding the tree, but I forgot and therefore made it harder for myself. Now we get onto the fun part. I begin my actual decorating by draping these pretty beads, tinsely sort of things that I got from the range last year. I place them midway around the tree and also towards the bottom, and I just drape them around loosely, and they replace the concept of tinsel for me. My theme will be grey, white and silver, and I got these beautiful decorations from the range. I have a mixture of traditional round baubles. I also have some antlers, butterflies and other little pretty sparkly things that caught my eye. It just brings some creativity and some imagination to the tree, I feel. I honestly do not have any particular order in which I hang my baubles, but I do tend to cluster 3 different sizes to add flair and visual appeal, and then sort of contrast them all together. Love a bit of personalization. I have a few of these Meeks, Marika, other name baubles around the tree. I got them from With Love Teddy last year. I think flowers look absolutely gorgeous on Christmas trees, and I have a few dotted around the tree. Some are poinsettias that just literally clip on, others are a type of lily, and then I have some hydrangea types that I just slide in, add in volume and depth, and I just think it makes the tree look beautiful. I place these decorated branch sprays at the top of the tree. It just gives a subtle accent and complements the entire look of the tree. I love them because they have bendable stems, which makes shaping so much easier. I use this flower as a topper, which I just slide in at the top of the tree. I feel it's a beautiful completion to the design of the tree, and I feel it best fits my theme. I bought these silver glittery feathers from B&M, and I just stagger them along the sides of the tree just for a bit of dimension. I really like the way how they look, to be honest. I think they're really sweet. And lastly, I add my ribbon. Ribbons elevate the tree's aesthetic to me, and this one has wired edges which makes it much easier to sculpt, and I just sort of bend them into the tree. It's also a great way to fill in any gaps and just completes the whole look. And there we have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. Voila! You will notice that I've also added some other decorations around the living room, which I will show you in a close-up in a moment. And that's the end of my Christmas decorate with me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and press my notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. Take care, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Mwah.